Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening GTA Online and going straight to the Rockstar editor or director mode. This gives you access to recorded clips. Once there, choose the project or clip slot containing the footage you intend to delete. Make sure you confirm you're in the correct save slot so you don't remove the wrong file. You should see thumbnails or timestamps. Note the clip name and length. Once identified, highlight it and prepare to open clip options for deletion. Now, with the clip highlighted, press the button that opens clip options. This is usually mapped to a key or controller button shown on screen. Select Delete or Remove from the options list. The system will prompt you to confirm. Confirm deletion to permanently remove the clip from the editor's project. If your editor has a trash or recycle area, navigate there and empty it to free space. Make sure to double-check clip thumbnails and timestamps before confirming to avoid accidental loss. Finish by returning to the main clip list and verifying the file is gone. This confirms successful deletion and frees space. If the clip still appears, save your project, exit the editor, and relaunch GTA Online. This forces a refresh. If you deleted the wrong clip, stop immediately and check cloud backups or system-level saves. You may be able to restore from a previous save. If problems persist, reinstalling the editor cache or contacting Rockstar support is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.